Welcome to Gray Overload. I'm Anthony, and I picked up the Ubiquiti U6-Pro. So this is gonna go in my network in replace of my two. I got actually ordered two of these, and I have two Nanos which I'm gonna replace with these. I wanted to kind of get more unified, but more Wi-Fi 6 enabled here. I'm starting to more use wireless 6 in certain areas, and I was having problems with some of the Nanos connecting with the my doorbell, and I wanted that to be fixed. Hopefully, we'll see here. But I picked this up, and they weren't bad price overall. I already installed one to replace one of the Nanos, so I'll show you the size comparison here, but they come packed really well. I do like this packing structure. It's got a little foam on top here, and then this seems to protect the wireless access point really well in shipping. I mean, we've seen how shipping goes. So it comes with a plastic cover and then the device overall. So, and these are pretty cold. But here's the device. I'm going to take off the plastic, or try to. The plastic actually really sticks when it's cold like this, but here's the device, and this is the Ubiquiti U6-Pro, and so it's pretty nice device, nice overall shape. This one has a scratch on it already underneath the Unfi 6, but what else comes in the box is this template. So if you want to drill your pilot holes, and it's got a little level at the bottom, which is not level. I installed one, so I know. I had to go get, where it's at, no one's going to ever see it, so it's not level, but that level is not even close. You got your metal mounting plate here, and this works quite well. This is what I mounted to. Where this one that'll be mounted is going to be in my unfinished basement ceiling currently. Then you have the mounting ring. So if you wanted to, I believe it goes like this, and then you mount through it, the ceiling, and then so that holds it better. And then you have we'll look at this in a second. These are your hardware kit. You cannot see that, I guess. The camera's not going to pick it up, but it actually says Ubiquiti hardware on there. And you got your little rubber grommet for the back of here, so that'll fit in there. And then the last thing is the instructions. So here you go, if anyone cares. QR codes, and that is it for this. But this hardware, or this device, I'm going to be able to see how it kind of compares. I'm going to do a speed test against the Nano and this. I also will try to do the LR version, the U6 LR, but here's the hardware kit, and so you have pretty much everything there. Go up in the drywall, go up into your drop ceilings, and all your little screws and nuts. And so that was, I had some other screws lying around the house, and that's all I did. And I got some other hardware from all my other projects I'm trying to get done at the same time, or trying to get done in this house. But that is a quick unboxing of this device. I'm excited to see how it performs overall, and how it compares to the Nanos specifically, because these are now, my LR covers the garage and a lot of outside area. These Pros are going to be for all the devices more inside the house as well. And so here's the difference in between the Nano, and then here is the Pros. And one thing that you'll notice is that it's a little bit bigger. The LR is even bigger than this, and this is the U6. This is about the same size as the U6 lights. But one thing I want to notice here is that you'll notice You have a way to unlock if you were going to mount this and lock it in. This device, just to make sure here, you have this little um, slot, which if it ever gets in focus, come on. No, there we go. You have that little slot. You can then stick a knife or something in there that will allow this to be unlocked from your mounting plate that you slide into. So that's a nice little feature here. But that is the U6 Pro. It's got Wi-Fi 6. It's all PoE, I believe PoE Plus on here. Yes, 802.11 AT is the spec on this, and I believe on the back of the box it tells me when this was tested. Yep, 12/21 was this test date on here. So it's got, and if you look here on the back, it's got the number, and it's got a reset, and then your network, which is only a gigabit. I understand this can go a lot faster than gigabit, but that's what this was given. So overall, you can have that full throughput there. But I think Ubiquiti did a pretty good job overall on this device. Just looking at it now, of course, we're going to test it to see really stands and see if it was really worth the upgrade. Some of the upgrade experience here is going to be me using my devices and seeing how they respond and switch off and everything else. So that's going to be in there as well in the review. I'll probably take a month or so, get this up and running, get it all tested. Let me know if you guys have anything you'd want to see tested. I do have the Nano HD. I have a LR6 or U6LR that I can try, and then I have the Pros. I do want to try to get a mesh as well one of these days. I want to cover more of my yard. And so that's what is going on right now for this unboxing. I'm going to go take it and hook it up and see how it performs. But I want to thank you guys for watching. Thank you for taking the time to help support Grow Everload and helping this channel grow. I really appreciate it. Until next time, God bless, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.